It's day 12 of real trading. So today's date is 25th of November, which is monthly expiry. So today we didn't took any trades in F&O. I took one trade in equity and our stop loss got it. So let me show you my position order page. So I took a short position in M&M and our stop loss got triggered, and I tried to take an order entry in Bank Nifty, but then the price went, so just cancel the order and we booked around 240 rupees loss. So which basically means that no trade because I didn't took any positions in Bank Nifty. I'll just explain you this. This was around 1 lakh buying value and my stop loss was just around 0.3%, 300 rupees max loss. So you can see it was forming a triangle pattern, and once it got breakdown, I just took at this candle around 11:12, 11:2, which is this candle. So after breakdown I got after breakdown I shorted here. It went almost like 70% of my target, and then it just reversed. So which basically is, I think the sellers got trapped here looking at this, then again it fell. So let's leave it. Now we will go to the Bank Nifty trade. So Bank Nifty opened flat and there was up and down moves as we expected. Usually monthly expiry will be more volatile than weekly expiry. So you can just see here it opened and it went almost 300 points up and 250 points down, and then 250 points up, and then ended at a bit higher price than the opening price. So well, I took trade at 119 around this area, but I will just share you the trap where I seen in the morning session. So this was just a breakout. If you say, you can clearly see it was a breakout and retested, but it failed, right? It shown like a good momentum, but then it failed. So that's why I marked as bias trap 1, and bias trap 2 is the place where I entered. So in this, maybe we can say that apart from breakout, we don't have any other confirmation, maybe retest, but not like no proper resistance or support zones. But in this trade, which I took, you can see there is a breakout. So as we discussed before, in case if it's falling like this, likely chances to go long, and in case if it is going like this, likely chances to go short, right? So I got the pattern and I got the breakout, and I also got the retracement. So this is my breakout, this is my support zone 37,200. So I'll show you. So you can see from today's session this was getting support multiple times, 1 2 3. It broke here, but then the trend got reversed here from this level, and it turned to, it was facing resistance as it got the support got broke, then it broke again, so it's facing support, and second time also it started facing support. So you can see a strong bias here. So after breakout we got retrace also. So from bottom to top you can see you are getting clearly 0.2 levels. So I actually went at since I have like multiple confirmations, support zone, breakout, and 0.2 levels, I just went for long position. You can see my trade. I'll show you this. So around 119 I have placed an long order. Let me remove this. So 119 is this candle, opening of this candle around this level, 335 level. I just went for long, and I just waited for within 2-3 seconds. It's almost like 10-20 points went away, went higher. So when I at that time I calculated my stop loss and target, it was not good and it was not rewarding, so I just cancelled my order. I'll show you again. So I placed order 119 and I cancelled at 119.50 as I did not find a good RR. And the moment I cancel the order, you can see again what we have seen here, the same it has repeated here. So it was kind of showing us a breakout, but it wasn't, and it made us to. In case if I have took, I will just show in the future chart. In case, let's say, I got at the price where I wanted, 34. So this would have been the typical my stop loss and target orders. So target order would be the nearest resistance, and stop loss would be somewhere around this level, right? I won't be keeping here because it's almost 85 points. I will be keeping somewhere above 78, so I can get 1 hour. But this even this week could have triggered in case if we have kept here. Let's say I kept long around 100 points. Mostly this would have hidden our stop loss. So that's what happened, and that's why I say that this is clearly a bias trap. And that's it, guys. I found out this setup on around 119. Lately, I after that I didn't find any setup. I got a breakout here, but the moment time was almost 2 o'clock, and I don't want to take a trade after 2 o'clock. The two on tip this kind of days. So you can see again it got breakout, and then but this time I had 0.5% support as well. So you can see here. Let me remove this. So 0.5 level. So I could have taken, but I don't want to risk as we already seen like 2 times by strap. And the time in case if I was taking positions almost 220, and you can see that up and down moves. So that's why I didn't took any trade in. I went for trade, but somehow I just cancelled and we escaped from this stop loss hunting from this trap. So that's it, guys. I will see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.